Hello, let's talk about short box round back on the ladder barrel.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So you can do your entire short box series here on your ladder barrel. It's actually an excellent place to practice and explore because you want your body to make the shape of the ladder barrel when you're on your short box on the reformer, right? So we're going to do the round back. And if you are here because you have the barrels flashcards from onlinepilatesclasses.com, thank you. Thank you so much. I hope you're enjoying playing with them. We had a lot of fun exploring all the different exercises we put in this barrels deck, and it's very thorough. So we have the whole series, and we've separated it because there are some amazing parts to it that we don't want you to skip over. So let's dive into the round back. First of all, you want your feet to be on the second rung from the top, and you want your feet pressing into that. A lot of people want to pull on this top rung, and you don't want to do that because that's going to make it so you're not actually pushing from the back of your legs, okay? So you also want to slide your hips off of the apex so that you have the apex to support your lower back. So my feet and legs are parallel and hips distance apart. I'm going to wrap my arms around my waist, and then I'm going to push into the back of from the back of my legs into the rung, and then I'm going to round back. And you can round back a little bit, especially if you're new or if that's what your ability with your spine is, or you can round back a lot and you can go all the way back. Now, when you do this, a lot of people like to pez dispenser their head. See if you can get your upper back to the barrel before you put your head back so that you're really articulating through the whole upper back, and then head in, round your spine, and come up. And so the legs aren't shifting around, you're not sliding around, and you become the shape of the ladder barrel. And this will help you find that long extension in your short box on the reformer. You do about 3 to 5 of those. It's also excellent in helping you understand how to do the extension deflection in your teaser on the reformer. Fun fact. So enjoy a few of those, and then you go into your short box flat back, which I will do in another video. If you have questions about how this exercise should feel, where you should be feeling it, feel free to put the comments below. I know not hooking your feet seems really scary, but as you can see, I didn't hook my feet and I went all the way back, right? And you can too if you're reaching from the back of your legs and not hanging off your hip flexors. If you would like to explore more and you have the barrels deck, we also have a ladder barrel workout on onlinepilatesclasses.com where we do life better.